Very good morning, everybody. So, whatever has happened in New Delhi, in a publication of a book by Bloomsbury, some so-called fake leaves has tried to stop the publication of that book, which is very bad for our democracy and our vibrant democracy. Thanks to Garuda Publication, who has come forward and assured the writer that he will publish the book. And the most satisfying thing is that within the few minutes of announcement, the website has cracked. In the sense, when I say cracked, I mean overwhelming support has got the Garuda Publication and the writer. you know uh, they often say the left wing and right wing. Let me say, the intention of left wing is not bad, but the outcome and the kind of implementation has happened is wrong. you know the origin of leftist and Maoism I mean communism starts in ancient Russia. you know stalin Stalin, the first dictator of, I will say, first dictator of communism. And I don't know why the intention is good to often communist countries uh, get the dictator leaders like Mark Stalin and Mao Zedong, Deng Xiaoping, and most recent Xi Jinping, and in Cuba Fidel Castro. So the track record of all these guys are bad. They killed their own people, and who can forget the Tiananmen Square massacre? And they often accuse right wing. I don't know about other countries, but when it comes to India, we are 9,000, more than 9,500-year-old civilization, and our country often we are we live just like that living right now. you know Communism and so-called socialism has been imposed by ancient leaders, which was bad. And thanks to Narasimha Rao's LPG reform, liberalization, privatization, and globalization, and that's why we are here. We are developing, and our actual development started in 1992 and onward, because of the kind of. And let me begin by saying, they often say the right wing people are most intolerant people of this universe, but the kind of hypocrisy has been shown by the left and communism. Uh, the best replica of all that is the Bloomsbury publication, and the kind of pressure has been exerted. So I was discussing over the liberalization, privatization, and globalization. So we started our economic progress and every kind of development from 1992 to onwards. Thanks to Narasimha Rao, to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, to the current government, and 10 bad years, I will say, that has been governed by the UPA government. This was a kind of blow that has been imposed on India, a mute prime minister and a puppet prime minister we have faced. They often forget that this is the ancient country, and our we govern ourselves by emotions. The rulers of this magnificent and wonderful nation often driven by emotions. Emotion matters in this country. You can say, you can see the example in Garuda Prakashan and Bloomsbury Prakashan. And a book that could be a average book now has become bestseller book, thanks to the right wing, and thanks those who are coming forward to give them damn. I will rather say that this is a cheering moment, so we must cheer. Thanks to everybody.